Alright, today I'm going to show you how can you navigate your preferred and customers in Asea. So I would like to say thank you to one of my commenter here on YouTube. Asked me how to search the preferred customer inside the Asea virtual office. As you can see, I'm already here inside my Asea virtual office. In order for you to navigate the preferred customer who enrolled under you, all you have to do is to click this arrow, as you can see it here, that's one, and go and click dashboard. Click dashboard. And then all you have to do is to scroll down until you find this personal customer enrollments. So you can find here all their details, and you can also swipe to the right so you can check what they enrolled as a preferred customer in a customer. So far I have all these preferred customer enrolled since 2023 and 2024. So I hope this helped. So again guys, if you have any more questions about your Asea virtual office, do let me know so I can record a video. This is the only contributions that I can also contribute to our Asea community. Alright, my name is Amanda Nav. I'm a transformation coach and a fitness coach, helping individuals how can they turn their health challenges into joy and into freedom so they are able to move their body freely. And at the same time, I'm also helping individuals how can they unlock their greatness and monetize their passions so you can start transforming other people's lives.